Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and as you probably know by now, Fortnite is coming to mobile and you can go ahead and sign up for early access right now and get Fortnite earlier on your iOS device. So a few things you need to know: you need to have a device on iOS 11. iOS 10 won't work, and also you need to have an iPhone 6s or newer device in order for Fortnite to work on your device, and then you can go ahead and sign up and get early access to the game. So this is how you do it. The first thing you will need to do is open the link, which I will leave linked right down below in the description of the video. Make sure you open it in Safari and just tap here and just tell here if you're already playing it or not. I click no right here, and then from here you will need to enter your info. Once you see this page right here, you can sign in with your Facebook, Google+, or you can just enter your name here, last name, your display name, your email and passcode right here and create a new account. So let me just log in here with my Facebook. And once you have entered your information or signed in, if you already have an account, it will show you this page right here where you will have to select which iOS device you have. So you can see right here all the supported devices, iOS devices. So from the 6s to the iPhone 10, of course, iPad mini 4, iPad Air 2, iPad 2017 and the iPad Pro. So let me just select my device right here, click done, click select, and you're good to go. You can see right now it will add you to the list of waiting, and once they decide to go ahead and give you the game, you will get a link on your email to the App Store to download the game. So right here you can see some information. It says that not everyone will get that at the same time, but they will be adding players time after time. So if someone gets it, you don't be disappointed. You will probably get it very soon. So go ahead and sign up for Fortnite if you want to play it earlier on your iOS device. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I see you on the next one.